Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am sharing with you a brief about how to build a WordPress website. First of all, you select a WordPress plan, WordPress.com only. Set up your domain name and hosting provider. Install WordPress, choose your theme, and post and pages to your website. Customize your website, install plugins, optimize your website to increase page speed. Now I am tell you share with my subscriber how to use WordPress, the beginner's guide. People nowadays love to shop online because it's convenient compared to going to a brick and mortar store. Hence, you should also establish an online store to keep up with the competition. This is a great way for you to expand your presence beyond your geographical location. A tool like WordPress helps you realize your goal of establishing a professional and functional website for your business. This popular content management system allows you to download plugins and themes and allows easy website management also. Understanding WordPress. WordPress is a content management system that is commonly used to build websites and blogs because it's open source, which means anyone can use, change, add to, and improve upon the code. It provides a lot of flexibility around design and functionality for a low cost. Benefits of using WordPress for website creation. WordPress is user friendly, means getting started with WordPress is easy and anyone wishing to create a website can do so. The skills required to build a website are within reach for many small business owners. Its intuitive dashboard allows users to update content, add pages, and customize their site effortlessly. The WordPress community is there to help. WordPress has a vast and active community of developers, designers, and users who contribute to its ongoing improvement. This support network provides access to forums, tutorials, and resources, making it easier to troubleshoot issues, seek advice, and stay updated within the latest trends. It has extensive customization options, means with thousands of themes and plugins available. WordPress offers exceptional customization capabilities. You can choose from a wide range of pre-designed themes to create a unique design tailored to your brand. Plugins further enhance functionality, enabling you to add features such as contact forms, e-commerce, SEO, means search engine optimization, and more. It's a mobile friendly tool. WordPress allows you to create a professional website that's compatible with most mobile devices. Mobile accounts for nearly half of all web traffic worldwide. So there's a good chance your customers are accessing your website on a mobile device. Having a mobile ready website is critical for businesses that want to be found online. As more people use mobile devices to search for products and services, Google has started prioritizing websites that can be displayed on mobile phones. What's the difference between WordPress.com and self-hosted WordPress.org? WordPress.com and self-hosted WordPress.org are two distinct platforms with differences in terms of hosting, customization, and control. Here's a breakdown of the key differences between the two. WordPress.com and self-hosted WordPress.org. Hosting: hosted on WordPress.com servers. Choose your own hosting provider. Easy of use, simplified interface, complete customization capability. Plugins: restricted plugin use, unlimited plugin options. Monetization: limited options unless upgraded, unlimited monetization opportunities. Control: limited control over data. Full control over data and website management. Maintenance: WordPress.com handles updates, responsible for updates and maintenance. Security: WordPress.com handles security, responsible for implementing security measures. WordPress.com is a simpler hosted platform with limited customization options and restricted plugin use. Self-hosted WordPress.org provides more control, customization freedom, and opportunities for monetization, but requires more technical knowledge and responsibility for maintenance and security. The choice between the two depends on your specific needs, goals, and level of control you desire over your website. When it comes to hosting, you must choose web.com's WordPress hosting solutions because of its 20 years of experience in helping customers fulfill their online business needs. You will get reliable support, security, reliability, and your money's worth when you subscribe to one of the affordable WordPress hosting plans. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.